Good morning, children. Yesterday we have started our new lesson that is from tasting to digesting, and in that we have learned the different types of tastes. Now, in today's presentation, we are going to learn about the term which is related with taste, the sense organ which is related with taste. Now, as you all know that the our tongue is related with taste because it helps us to taste. So now we can see here the picture of human tongue. Okay, so first of all we will do one activity. Try to eat something without using your tongue, and the next activity is try to say something without using your tongue. This activity you have to do later on after completion of my video. Okay, children. So when you will try this, what conclusion you will get? Now see, we cannot eat or speak without a tongue. Okay, our tongue plays a very important role in eating as well as speaking, and of course in tasting the food. Now let us discuss more about the different functions of tongue. As we have just now I said that we need our tongue to chew, swallow, speak and taste. Now chewing. Now this chewing, we chew our food with the help of teeth. But dear children, do you know that our tongue plays a very major role in chewing the food? Whenever we are chewing the food, there is one liquid which is present in everybody's mouth, in everyone's mouth. One liquid is there. Now also you can feel that one your mouth is wet, it is moistened with liquid, and that liquid is called saliva. So whenever we are eating the food, so that saliva gets mixes with our uh, what food, whenever we are chewing that food, and it softens the food, and that food, it is swallowed by our tongue. So here our tongue plays a important role to move our food around our mouth. Okay, but whenever we are eating the food, so we have to always remember that whenever we are eating the food, whatever we are eating, you have to chew the food properly. But most of the time I have seen during our lunch time in school, as you are getting only 25 minutes for lunch, so most of the children, they are in a hurry to finish their tiffin and they want to go outside for playing. And the way by which they are eating the food, that is, dear children, that is very very incorrect. The correct way is that you have to eat your food slowly, chew it very nicely, okay, and then you have to swallow it. If you will swallow it, then it will not get digested in that. Then what will the consequences, this we will see in our next video. But now just remember that whenever we are eating the food, you have to chew it very properly. This is the correct method of eating. Now you can see, children, here it is a picture of our tongue. Our tongue is movable, as just now I have discussed that it helps us to move the food around our mouth. Okay, and this tongue, it is covered with thousands of tiny bumps which are called as taste buds. The tiny bumps present on our tongue, and these tiny bumps, these are not visible to our human eye, means we cannot see these bumps uh, through our eye. But what these tiny bumps do, they send the message about the taste of a food item to our brain, and then our brain tells that what food item we are tasting. Okay, and whenever we are eating, whenever something comes to our tongue, then we can identify that which type of taste it is. As we know that there are four kinds of taste: sugar, salty, bitter and sour. So our tongue help us to identify that taste. Okay, now here are some tips on how to take care of our tongue. Whenever we brush our teeth, we should also brush our tongue, or use a tongue cleaner to remove bacteria. Now, dear children, this is very necessary whenever we are washing your mouth, or you are brushing your teeth. So you have to brush your tongue as well, or you can use the tongue cleaner which is shown in this picture. It is easily available in any medical store. So you have to clean your tongue with the help of his tongue cleaner to remove the bacteria. This is how you have to take care of your tongue. And you have to drink plenty of water every day. Okay, as water is drinking plenty of water is very good for our health also. So you have to drink plenty of water. Okay children, so in this video, today's video, we will discuss only this much. You have to watch this video very carefully, and after some time I am going to ask you some questions based on this. Okay, so stay safe, stay home. Thank you children.